Hey, Matt here with 911R on Brand Trailer, Avant-Garde. We have this 89 25th anniversary 911 Coupe that's ending on Monday. I want to do a little walk around and talk about it. We've gone through and paint mirrored the car. It's all between 5 and a really low 7. We believe it's all correct original paint on the car. The 25th anniversary cars were very special with a very unique Fuchs wheel with an anodized lip and a painted center section. This car has been, from what we can tell, a two-owner car from all the documentations and looking at the Carfax. It's been part of a collection that we've been selling. The gentleman had a 25th, 50th, and a 40th car. So it was part of his collection. Looking at the inside of the car, you have a light gray with a piping and light gray steering wheel. You have the later center console with the cassette holders and the temperature gauge and your AC controls. The gray boot, shift boot. All these cars were really very unique. Of course, it being 89 is a G50 car. This is the last year for the G series, classic 911 before they went to the 964. Coming around in the back, you can see the engine is all correct. It's been serviced and checked out. There isn't any issues with it. It does have air conditioning. Come around this side, you can see how the trim molding's all in excellent condition, not faded or looking tacky. The doors open and close really nicely. The carpet with that silver net is in great shape. This wear and tear on the seats. You got the rear little jump seats. Let me come around and open up the front on this car. Headlights are nice and clear. There isn't any rock chipping or tearing up on the car. It's a 50,000 mile car. Very, very unique example here. So we got the option code sticker underneath here. Somebody did add a Sony CD player. Under the front, we got the spare tire and everything. So, this car is a great, collector quality 911, 25th anniversary. Any questions, if you need a shipping quote, use the contact seller button. Any other questions, use the contact seller button. We'll be happy to get back to you as quick as possible. And good luck. Thank you.